Howdy y'all, Country Fried Gamer 150 here, and in this video I'm going to show you what looks to be like a lake, but in reality is a heavily flooded area due to heavy rain and storms that impacted the area. This is an intersection of two main state routes in north central Ohio, where this one is obviously closed due to the flooding. Now I will show you a slideshow of the road being closed on the opposite side of this flooded area. This way you can get a detailed view from multiple angles. There may be many who have seen flooding to this degree, but for me, I have not personally witnessed it in real life, and that's why I'm sharing it with you all. Please take care, and if you encounter flooded roadways, turn around and use your best judgment to stay safe. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless.